This is going to be a video tutorial on how to automatically hide or unhide the taskbar in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To automatically hide or unhide the taskbar in Windows 11, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to my taskbar down here, down to the little start icon. I'm going to right click on the start icon, and I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Personalization. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see it says Taskbar, and click on Taskbar. Then you'll scroll down a little further, and where it says Taskbar Behaviors, you want to click on Taskbar Behaviors. And then right underneath Taskbar Alignment, automatically hide the taskbar. I'm going to check this box here. And as you can see at the bottom, my taskbar has been removed. It has disappeared. Now to bring that back, all you need to do is move your mouse down to the very bottom of the screen. See, my taskbar has now reappeared. And to turn that back off, all you need to do is uncheck this automatically hide taskbar. That is how to hide or unhide the taskbar in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.